Hey there, this is Aaron with SimpleTix.com. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can remove a row from your venue after your event's already been created. So here's an event that's already live, tickets have been sold, but we need to actually delete row B. So in this video right now, we're going to show you how we're going to delete row B. Now, an important thing to do before you actually delete a row is to make sure that nobody bought a ticket for it. So right now, I believe one of the tickets may have been reserved in a shopping cart, but it's not bought. So that's a very important thing to check to make sure that no one actually bought a row before you delete it. So in this case, I verified it. I checked every single event time. No one's bought anything in row B. So now what we're going to do in this video is delete row B. So the very first thing I'm going to do is log into the back end of my website and click on venues, which I've already done. And make sure you get the right venue. So this is the venue right here. It says edit seating because that venue does have a seating chart. So I'll click edit seating now. All right, so here's our seating chart, and I'll scroll down here, and we're going to delete row B. So I'll go ahead and click row B, and I can just hit the delete button on my keyboard, and I'll hit this again over here, click delete. That's one way of doing it. By the way, if you ever think that you might need row B in the future, so you're not really 100% sure, another option is to freeze those seats. So this is kind of the nuclear option right now of deleting it that way. And if you want to move row A back, we could totally do that. So I'll just drag it, kind of move it back here. So it does look kind of funny because you have A and then C with no B in the middle. But if you need to delete a row, there's kind of an example of how to do it. And awesome, so that's it. So click the publish button now. And now our change is now published. All right, let's take a look at our web page now and our event page, and we don't see row B now. So in this video, I showed you how to delete an entire row in our seating chart. And all right, if you have any questions, let us know. Support@simpletix.com. Thank you. Bye.